Try to get this vertebra to do that. Okay? So I'm trying to get this uncovertebral to go down the facet line and the disc to translate up on the other side. Can you visualize that? Okay? So when you're finding the facet line, you want to protect the upper neck so you don't bind this side. So you don't hold the occiput and come this way because there's too much of a stretch. You have to post and secure the neck that you want above your adjustment. N'est-ce pas? Okay? So you find your facet line, and so now it flex over and down right to here, but it's a down, so I'm going to aim in that direction. Can you visualize the ears of the uncovertebral? And so it's that way. Okay. Take a breath, and out, head center, and down. Part of that was my finger. Well, because my wrist, no, my wrist is messed up, so I can't get my finger here. So if I take it from here, I have a straighter wrist. See, this is a much stronger position for my hand than this is. This just completely, I can't put any pressure on my wrist if this is the position. So I do it that way.
So we're something to look forward to.
Yeah. Well, if you're getting broadsided by a bunch of drunk teenagers in my Volkswagen Bug, and you fold the passenger seat in half and then get knocked out by the car coming through the side door.